Hey, Trang, what are you doing over there?
Nothing.
Are you sure about that?
Yes. Is the
Really?
food done yet?
No,
Why not?
because it's not done yet. Why don't you come over here and help me out with that?
No, that's not gonna happen.
Not cool.
I don't know how to cook. Hey, but I have something to ask you. Do you know why your food is not sticking to the pan? Well,
No.
it's because of Teflon.
Oh, now I remember that. That's pretty
Oh,
cool.
now you remember it, huh?
Uh-huh.
Let me ask you something else. Do you know how they make it?
Actually, I do know how to make that.
Wow. Really?
Uh-huh.
Tell me how.
Well, first you start off with TFE, which is created using chloroform, hydrofluoric acid, and fluorspar, and that's heated in a reaction chamber, and then it's cooled and distilled, and the distillate is used to create the PTFE, and that is set in a reaction chamber filled with purified water with an initiator, which is a chemical that will set the reaction going. As it begins, the TFE hits the initiator, it'll begin to polymerize,
Okay.
and the reaction chamber is mechanically shaken. The chemical inside the chamber gives off heat, so it's cooled by water circulating around the chamber. Controls automatically shut off the supply of TFE as a certain weight is reached inside the chamber. The water, when it's all done, the water's drained out, and it's leaving a mess of stringy PTFE inside.
Okay.
Well, next, the PTFE is dried and fed into a mill. The mill pulverizes the PTFE with rotating blades, producing a fine powder. The powder is difficult to mold, so manufacturers convert this powder into larger granules or pellets. The one way is to mix the PTFE powder with a solvent such as acetone and tumble it in a rotating drum. The PTFE grains stick together and they'll form small pellets. The pellets are then dried in an oven and sent off for further manufacturing of whatever goods are going to be made.
Wow. That's great.
Yeah. Well, actually, there is another way to make Teflon. Do you have any idea about that?
Yeah. I do.
Really? That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
How's that?
See, there's another way. It's called dispersion polymerization. I can't even pronounce it, but let me retry it, okay?
Okay.
Dispersion polymerization. That sounds good.
All right. All right.
Okay. The dispersion method leads to either fine powder, like salt, but only finer. Okay?
Oh, like
Yes.
salt, but finer.
Yes.
Okay.
Finer.
So salt wasn't a very good.
No, it's not.
Okay.
Okay. And it might also lead to a paste-like substance. Paste-like substance? Get it?
Like toothpaste.
Yeah.
Ah, that's pretty cool.
Toothpaste. Yes. And TFE is introduced into a water-filled reactor along with the initiating chemical. Instead of being vigorously shaken like your method,
Yeah, you're right.
yes,
Okay.
it is only agitated gently, just gently. Okay?
Oh,
Yes.
Okay.
And the PTFE forms into tiny beads. Some of the water is removed by filtering or by adding chemicals. Oh, you okay?
Yeah.
Okay. By adding chemicals which cause the PTFE beads to settle. The result is a milky substance called PTFE dispersion. It can be used as a liquid, especially in application like fabric finishes, or it may be dried into a fine powder used to coat metal, such as the pan that you cook your food.
Oh, that's
Yes,
pretty cool.
so it's non-stick. You see?
Yeah,
I
that's
do
pretty
know
cool.
my stuff.
Good job.
Yeah, thank you, thank you.
All right. Well, the food's
done?
done.
Yes.
Yeah, it's done. Let's go eat. Come on.
Let's go. Hey.